Welcome to Masarap TV. Today we'll be doing cream caramel, or famously known in the Philippines as leche flan. Creme caramel is a custard dessert with a soft caramel on top.
Let me show you how to do this. We'll start with the caramel syrup. Put 1/2 cup white sugar in a saucepan and heat in low fire. Wait for the sugar to melt and avoid stirring. When it turns golden brown, it's now time to transfer it to your mold. Note that the darker the caramel gets, the bitter it be. Let it stand for at least 10 minutes or until it gets hard. In a large bowl, whisk together 250 ml all-purpose cream, 3/4 cup white sugar, 10 egg yolks,
1 teaspoon diap zest extract,
made from around 4 diaps, and 300 ml condensed milk. Remember to stir gently to avoid forming bubbles and to stir only in one direction. Gently pour the mixture onto the mold where caramel syrup is. Use a strainer to wear off the bubbles created when mixing. Cover with aluminum foil. I recommend using ceramic molds as opposed to aluminum ones because it somewhat improves the texture and lessens potential bubbling when cooking. The method we're going to use in cooking is called the bain-marie method or water bath. You'll need a pan large enough to hold your mold. Put a towel first before the mold and add hot water, just about half the height of your mold. The towel helps to hold the mold steady when moving your pan in and out of the oven. Also, it acts as a riser so that the water can get underneath your mold and ensure even baking. Now put this in a preheated oven at around 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes or until firm. To test, you can insert a toothpick and when it gets out clean, it's done. After cooling, place serving dish over top of the pan and invert. It's best served when refrigerated overnight. I really hope you get to try this. Enjoy!